What is this COVID-19 immunity passport? And some of the cruise lines, they have cancelled their sailing once again, means even further. So this is what we are going to talk about in this video. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, you heard me very clearly. Some of the cruise lines have cancelled their sailing once again. That means the cruise lines who were supposed to sail in March have cancelled their sailing of March. Yes guys, but I will talk about it little bit later. Now let's talk about, first of all, what is COVID-19 immunity passport. So now guys, this is not something new which has been rolled or which has been coming into a picture. We always have been carrying a passport, and along it, whenever we are traveling international, we always carry a one vaccination card, which is a yellow fever vaccination. So it is the same way it is going to be, means all the people who are traveling abroad now, they will get a vaccination card, a COVID-19 vaccination card. So it will help them to move freely, and also some of the airline industry, some of the government of the country, they are trying to develop an app which is going to be a COVID-19 app. So the complete history about the patient, about the person who's traveling or who is just moving anywhere in the city, so they will have a complete digital format of data about a COVID-19, and it will also have a information about that person has been vaccinated or not. Because guys, it is really very important now. Most of the peoples, means in the entire world, they need to be vaccinated, and that's how only we can break the chain of this COVID-19 which is getting spread again and again. All right, and the vaccination is the only tool which we have at the moment, at the time, to break the chain, because there are not so much medicines for it. The vaccination is the only solution right now we have got. And guys, most of the people, they might will think vaccination is not 100% a sure thing or 100% effective. So guys, I want to ask you a question is, even though if the vaccination who are being developed into India, they are 70 to 75% effective as per the news, and COVID-19 vaccines who are being developed into America, into USA, they have an accuracy of around 90 to 95%. So even though guys, if 100 people take a vaccination, and out of 100, even though 80 people also are getting cured, or maybe they are that vaccine is working on them, so it is also great. It will help to prevent the spread of COVID-19. And even though guys, none of the vaccine has been granted 100% of effectiveness, means even though those vaccines who are currently available in the market of anything you take, they are not 100% effective. They are always 98 to 99%. And this is also has a rate of 90 to 95%. So it is quite good enough. The only thing is, some of the people are scared of they might will get a side effects of it. Yes guys, see, whenever any of the vaccine has been rolled out into the public, so it is always been tested. Now some of the people, they do get a side effects of it, but not something like you are going to die. No, what happens is, over here, as per the news, so wherever you take a vaccine, that entire part is gonna be itchy for 1 to 2 days. Or some of the people who have a low immunity, they might will face a big rate of fever. That means for that fever also, you don't have to take any medicine, it will go by itself. So that's what side effects has been noticed by this now. So now let's talk about what are those cruise lines who have cancelled their sailing of March. Yes guys, Norwegian Cruise Line have cancelled their sailing of the March as well now, and let's see other of the cruise lines, they also follow up with the same or not, or they stick to their decision to sail into a March. Really can't say anything, because there is a new strain of COVID-19, and as you guys know, some of the countries, they're also implementing a lockdowns in their own cities, I mean all their places. Really can't say anything, but I hope the 2021 will bring us some happy or some good news for us, where we'll be able to at least move freely. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you found this information helpful, then please make sure you share it with your friends. And if you have